Hi guys, today I am going to tell you how to make the TradingView chart clean. It can make our analysis easier. Now go to your TradingView settings and then follow me step by step. That's it. With just a few simple steps, you can transform your TradingView charts into a clean and professional workspace that's both functional and visually appealing. Remember, a clean chart doesn't just look good. It helps you focus on what really matters, making informed trading decisions. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more TradingView tips and trading insights. And I'd love to hear from you. How do you like to customize your charts? Drop your tips and setups in the comments below. Let's keep learning together. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Good luck.